Alright everybody, Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. If your mobile home looks like this on the roof, I'm going to suggest you hire somebody to come over and clean it. Do not let stuff like this build up on your house, because the water can't flow off, and when the water can't flow off, it starts going up underneath the shingles, therefore a leak. Now this one here, I would say that this pipe boot could be part of it, but he said right at this door area, which is right there, he has a leak. And the reason it's leaking is because of that piece of metal that they have up here to keep the water from going on top of your head is backed up with this big oak tree over the top, so it's filling up the gutter. He put a gutter on this side over here, and the gutter is completely full, and the roof is 4 years old.
Yeah.
The roof is only about 4 years old. There's no holes in the roof that I can see, but right at this window here, is this the kitchen that I look?
Yeah.
Right here. Okay. Right at this window, this gutter is completely full and water's going up over the top of it and into the house. It only has a drain at one end, so obviously that gutter is not going to let water go out of it. So being where there's no holes in the shingles themselves, this would always be a problem. And whatever you do, if you have trees like this rubbing up on your house, you need to have somebody come in here and cut them limbs off, like cut that limb completely off as far back as they can reach, and get this stuff right here gone. Don't ever leave stuff like this up on your house, because every time the wind blows, that tree's blowing and rubbing the roof. So what he needs here is gutters cleaned out all the way down. That piece of metal, all the trash behind it needs to be cleaned out. Probably a little bit of caulking here. The tree limbs cut off. He should probably be in fairly good shape at that point. So if you have a mobile home like this, make sure your trees are cut back. Make sure you don't have debris piling up behind your vents, and you should be okay. All right, buddy, I'm gonna come down here and show you what you got going on here. Yeah, this is the reason for a leak in the back. Them gutters are the reason for the leak in the front. And them trees are gonna destroy his roof. All that needs to be cleaned off. Pay attention to your roof, people, if you want it to last. If you want your roof to last and not leak, you want to pay close attention to an overabundance of trees over the top of your house directly, that they're not rubbing your house, your gutters are not full, and all of your roof penetrations, vents, whatever, do not have a bunch of stuff gathered up behind them. So I'm going to give them a price on cleaning all this up.